When I was 19 years old, I took a course at Wentworth Institute, sitting in a room full of journeyman electricians studying electrical code. That summer, I went to Los Angeles and spent 3 months installing neon for a movie studio. I came back a different person. Because of this experience, I was able to form a certified women-owned construction management company. I did not follow a designated academic path. I connected what was already there, and it worked. I went on to spend the next 35 years as a successful entrepreneur in the power and energy industry. The gap that I found at 19 between elite engineering and applied field training never closed. That gap is why I founded the Born Global Foundation, and it's exactly what this Maker's Prize is designed to solve. GHP deployment is a real major opportunity, not only in Maine, but also in New England. This region has all of the necessary conditions. We have strong geology, real rural deployment needs, and one of the highest heating rates and dependencies in the country. So it's clear that the opportunity exists, but there's just one major barrier that remains, and it's not the technology. It's the workforce. In our region, the problem is not a lack of talent, institutions, or even interest. It's the fact that the workforce pipeline is just fragmented. We have students that are not introduced to careers in something like GHP early enough. You have engineering education and installation training, and all of these things are siloed. Employees now need to have people that understand how these systems work and how you move from design to real-world impact. So the pieces all exist. What needs to happen now is a better sense of connectivity. This is a problem that Born Global was built to solve. So we've created these learning models and have turned the traditional role of education into workforce and entrepreneurial pathways. Our approach is simple. We are not building a new system. We are connecting systems that already exist, starting with the high school programs through partners like the Museum of Science, Boston Green Academy. Then we move on to the applied, more advanced type of engineering programs through partnerships with UMass Lowell and through the Boston University. Industry, through partners like Greentown Labs, the Sunrise County Economic Council in Maine. So in phase 2, we're going to activate this pipeline. We've run already a lot of applied challenges, and in phase 2 now, we're going to shift that focus to be applied challenges around geothermal systems in relative to the more traditional senses of how that is done, and then also to expand it a little bit more into some of the new and exciting opportunities that we're seeing with new innovations that are coming out within the space. I want to emphasize again that this program is not starting from scratch. We've already built the network, we've already engaged hundreds of students, and we've already developed critical partnerships through this direct stakeholder engagement throughout the region of Maine to New England. This is where we will build enough momentum that the whole system works as a coalition. What is needed now is this coordinated workforce pathway. We have to turn these opportunities into action. This is what we want to do in terms of activating what already exists through the funding of this program that will allow us to step it forward. So as we enter into phase 2, our ability to actually get these programs going immediately, addressing the 2 areas that we've outlined, the gap between high school students and the ability to get engaged immediately into a certified workforce program, and secondly, this piece that's going to then tie together the workforce to the applied engineering to the advanced engineering, letting all of the system work together from the perspective of immediate opportunities, cultivating new ways of applying engineering into programs that makes it more seamless for them to be designed in a way that can be implemented practically, and lastly, to be able to take that to the next level of advanced engineering where innovation happens.